So today I'm going to be doing some DIY bracelets for you guys and have an important message at the end of this video. So watch till the end and let's go into the video. What you need for this DIY is some beads, and these have letters on them and they're round and they also have hearts and stuff, and you need some stretchy cord. First thing that you're going to do is take your string and let me open mine. Opened it now. So first I'm just gonna measure my, so you find the end, and I'm just gonna measure my hand around like that, and I'm just going to snip, and then you want to take your beads and you want to open it. I'm just gonna pour them all on the ground. That was a great idea. And look for what I am looking for, what letters I'm looking for. I'm going to spell honey, because why not? And I'm going to take the yellow heart and put it at the end. Okay, yeah, that yellow heart. It didn't look yellow for a second on the screen. Let's look for H. O. Where are you? O. Whoa. O. That got an O. H. O. N. Very funny. Oh wait, found an E, and then we need a Y. Got a Y. So I think I'm just gonna put a heart, a yellow heart in the front. Oh, that's backwards. A yellow heart in the front, and then Honey. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna lay it out and show you guys how I laid it out, if you want to do honey like I am. This is how I laid it out. I have carpet, so I just put it on a book. And this is how I'm going to lay it out in the bracelet. There's the string now. Oh my gosh, I'm such a mess. I have beads all over the ground. So now I'm going to pretty much tie a knot. Or do you do that at the end? Okay, I'm just gonna tie a knot. And there we go. We have it. And then the H. Yes, okay. So this knot was also not big enough, but I got it on there. So now I'm just going to tie a knot on both sides of both at the end of each heart, and then come back to you guys after that. I got it, and this is how it looks. Let me just fix the letters and make sure you can read them, because I don't want them to be upside down. Wait, what? Is it upside down? That's upside down. Let me just fix that, because I have an upside down Y, and kind of need to fix that. So let me just undo this knot, and I ended up changing up the string to this wiry one. As you can see, it's not fabric, it's like rubber. What? Why is it backwards? I think this one is messed up, because it's like, why? Oh wait, what? Why? It's backwards to me. Yeah, I'm dumb. It's backwards to me, but it's, when it's on my arm, it'll be, okay, I'm just stupid. Why did I do that? So dumb. Okay, so now we're going to tie the knot on the end, and tie the knot on the end of it and pull it tight, and that's how it is. And then you want to tie it on your arm like that, and I'm just going to try to tie this on myself. Yeah, I'll be right back after I get my sister or my mom to tie it on my arm. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, and comment down below what you would put on your bracelet. I put honey and not your baby, and that's because I saw those somewhere, but you can make it your own and unique and different. And I still have some extra like thread on it, but I'm going to cut that off. And yeah, I'll put the final results before this. Bye guys.